Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a high-grade Gundam Deathscythe from Bandai, and on today's video, I'll be building this. I'm one of the people who are enjoying these new releases from the Gundam Wing series. The old high grades are old, and while master grade is nice, it is not anime accurate, so these new high grade after Colony series are golden in my eyes. The last build I did, which was a Gundam Heavy Arm, was a great kit, despite its issues. And finally, I was able to get around building this Gundam Deathscythe, and like Heavy Arms, this is a great kit. I began the build by taking out each part from its sprues with my pair of nippers according to the instruction. Once the parts were cut out, I cleaned out the nut mark using a file and sanding block. The plastic was soft and of high quality, and connection points were small and in a well thought out location, so taking the part out and cleaning them was an easy job. Once the part has been taken out and cleaned, I assembled them according to the instructions. Each instruction was clear and well thought out, so assembly was a breeze. The parts were large and there weren't really a lot of complicated parts, so the whole process was easy and fun. And this is how the kit looks like, built straight out of the box with the included stickers applied. The kit looks great with great proportions while matching the looks from the anime. It also articulates well, even has a gimmick on its shoulder which allows arms to go up unlike the heavy arm. With its articulation and bright and great looking effect part, it's easy to make it some awesome dynamic poses. I decided to keep this build simple, so I only did some basic painting on this. Before painting, all parts were washed with warm soapy water to get rid of any surface oil or any dust. For the paint, I used a Splash Mecha paint. For the white part, I used dark gray primer first. Once the primer has been dried, I use white as a highlight, getting some basic shading. For the black part, I used a black primer as a base paint. Once the primer has been dried, I gave some dark blue highlight, making it look like some dark navy blue color. For the yellow and red, I used gray and white primer to make a grayscale layer. I then gave a light coat of either yellow or red over it, which gave a basic shaded look. Once the paint has been dried and cured, I painted on some details with acrylic paint with a brush. And that's it. I kept this kit simple. Despite the simple build, it came out looking great, which speaks volume on how well engineered this kit is. This kit isn't without a problem. There are large panel gaps here and there due to how it's assembled, a good example being on its arms. Still, the tight fitment and the dark color hides it well. So cheap, easy, and fun to build, this is a great weekend project and I recommend this kit. Now, I'm patiently waiting for Deathscythe Hell. Thank you for watching this video. I'll put a link down below to my blog where I'll have more pictures. Please hit the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.